What's up, NMS? This is Braden
and Landon
with your 67th episode of WNMS. Today is March 23rd, and it is National Puppy Day, so make sure to give your puppy some special attention.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
The variety show is coming soon. Do you have a special talent? Can you sing, act, dance, play an instrument, do martial arts, cheer, or anything else you'd like to share? Come audition for the variety show. Do you like to talk instead? Then you should audition to be an MC for the show. Auditions will take place on April 10th and 11th beginning at 3:30. You will meet in the cafeteria. Variety show signups will begin on Monday, April 3rd after spring break in the main office. Be part of this year's variety show. Thank you to everyone who helped make NMS Charity Week a huge success last week. We raised over $5,000 to support the Make-A-Wish Foundation and Wyatt's wish of an accessible camper.
Hey Coding Club, or anyone that wants to learn about coding, the Coding Club will be hosting a meeting tomorrow, starting promptly at 4:30 p.m. via Zoom. That will be taught by a professional coder from the coding company Qubit by Qubit. It will be an introductory class about quantum computering, no prior coding knowledge is needed. All are welcome. Please join the Coding Club School G page for the Zoom link. The access code is NNQ5 9RHX Q9RX2. Hope you can join us. There are only a few more days to turn in your March's Reading Month bingo sheets. This year's March and Reading Month baskets include items that total over $260 each. Please see your ELA teacher or Miss Wesner if you have any questions. Good luck.
There are still some spots available for the November 8th through 11th, 2023 8th grade Washington, D.C. trip. The trip is open to all members of the class of 2028. If you haven't signed up yet, there is still time. Softball tryouts will begin after spring break Monday, April 3rd and run through April 6th. The first practice will be Monday, April 3rd, right after school. Players should gather in the cafeteria and plan on being outside. Practices will end at 5 p.m. each day during the first week of tryouts. I got you.
In order to try out, athletes must have a physical on file or bring a physical with them to tryouts. If you have any questions, see Mr. Tobis in room 302 or email him.
Boys lacrosse tryouts will begin on April 3rd from 3:30 to 5 p.m. at the middle school gym. Email varsity coach Peter Miner with any questions.
Girls lacrosse tryouts will begin on April 3rd from 3:30 to 4:45 p.m. in the middle school auxiliary gym. Email varsity coach Caitlin West with any questions.
Girls soccer tryouts begin on April 3rd from 3:30 p.m. to 5 p.m. at the middle school soccer field. Please reach out to varsity coach Todd Pfeiffer with any questions.
Code, track, and field practices will begin on April 3rd from 3:30 to 5 o'clock p.m. Please meet in the middle school cafeteria for attendance. You can contact Mr. Bronson with any questions.
In order to try out or participate, athletes must have a physical on file or bring a physical with them to practice. Nishvit has your headlines.
Hey NMS, this is Nishvit with your headline news for March 23rd, 2023. Los Angeles got hit by a possible rare tornado on the southeast side of California. City officials say that at least one person was injured after one bit of a rare tornado. In total, so far 17 buildings were damaged, with 11 being so bad they are considered too dangerous to use. Normally tornadoes are rare in California with only 10 per year, which are minor and short-lived. Once again, this is the Nishvit with your headline news, signing off.
Hi, this is Sydney with your Wildcat Sports Wrap. The Novi Middle School swim and dive team placed third at the Swim Championship Invite. The swimmers placed first in 5 of 11 events. Zarif Syed won the 200 and 100 free, Ethan Gomez-Cole won the 100 IM, Yufan Wu won the 550 fly. The team of Yufan Wu, Ethan Gomez, Hasni Gopslami, and Zarif Syed won the 400 free relay. Other top 8 finishers were Ria Tiramurthy in the 200 and 100 free, Sophia Osman in the 100 IM and 100 breaststroke, Nitya Garg in the 50 free, Colin Pickering in the 50 free, Ryan Emanuel in 50 fly and 100 back, Yufan Wu 100 back, and Evelyn Kelly in the 100 breaststroke. Also scoring at championships were Adrian Stiles, Daniel Chen, Conan Shinohara, Kira Prowitz, and Aaron Yoon. Great season, swim and dive team. Rishi has your Today in History moment.
WNMS, this is Rishi with your Today in History moment. On this day in 1775, Patrick Henry made his famous speech in which he responded to how unfairly Americans were being treated by the British government. He said in front of Congress, "Give me liberty or give me death," and which was a turning point in American history. This has been Rishi with your Today in History moment.
Hey NMS, this is Zara with your weather for March 23rd. Today seems to be a high of about 50 and a low of about 33 with a high chance of rain during the day. So if I were you, I would wear some nice rain boots and bring an umbrella. The night looks pretty dry and mostly cloudy. Make sure to stay dry out there, Wildcats. This is Zara signing off.
Clap, 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 happy birthday. Clap, 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 happy birthday. Clap, 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 happy birthday to you. Clap, 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 happy birthday. Clap, 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 happy birthday. Clap, 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 happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Happy birthday! Clap, 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 happy birthday. Clap, 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 happy birthday. Clap, clap.
Hey Braden, did you know that dogs can understand over 150 words?
No wonder why my dog is so smart.
Shout out to Jack Barnes for liking yesterday's WNS broadcast. Keep watching, Jack.
With that, have a tremendous Thursday, NMS. This has been Braden
And Landon signing off.